One day, it hits you. Climbing stairs suddenly feels heavier. You grab the railing just for a little help. That's how it starts. If you're over 50, your legs are quietly losing strength every single week, even if you're active. It's not your fault, it's biology. But here's the truth no one tells you. You can stop it and rebuild your leg power faster than you think. And you only need 2 simple moves. No gym, no supplements, just your body and 15 minutes. Let's fix it right now. After 50, your body begins losing 1 to 2% of muscle strength every year. Doctors call it sarcopenia, the slow shrinking of muscle fibers that control your legs, balance, and mobility. You don't notice it at first. Then small things change. You start using your hands to push off a chair. You get tired walking uphill. Your legs burn faster. Those are early signs your lower body is losing muscle. Why does it matter? Because weak legs don't just make you slower, they steal your independence. Studies from the National Institutes of Health show that people who maintain strong leg muscles live longer, recover faster, and stay mobile well into old age. So if you care about aging well, you start with your legs. Let's rebuild them. Exercise number 1, sit to stand, the ultimate lower body test and builder. Here's how. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet flat, knees at 90 degrees. Cross your arms over your chest or hold them straight in front of you. Lean slightly forward, push through your heels and stand up, no hands. Sit back down slowly. That's 1 rep. Start with 10 reps, rest, and repeat for 3 sets. If that feels easy, lower the chair height or hold a small weight. If it's tough, use your hands lightly for balance until you gain strength. This single move targets your quads, glutes, and hips, the muscles that control almost every movement you make. Standing, walking, climbing, even getting out of the car. One study from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that adults over 60 improved leg power by up to 40% in just 6 weeks using this movement alone. No gym, just consistency. Remember, the slower you move, the stronger you get. Control every rep. Next up, heel raises. Simple but powerful. Your calves are often called your second heart. They pump blood back toward your upper body, help with balance, and protect your joints. Here's how. Stand tall near a wall or counter for balance. Slowly lift your heels off the floor. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower down with control. That's 1 rep. Do 3 sets of 15. Too easy? Try doing it 1 leg at a time, or hold light weights for extra resistance. A study from the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy showed that adults over 55 who did calf raises 5 days a week improved ankle strength and balance by over 30%. They even had better brain oxygen levels because stronger calves improve circulation. So yeah, this simple move makes your legs stronger and your brain sharper. Now, training means nothing without recovery. You don't build strength during the workout, you build it after. That means 2 things. Protein, aim for around 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. That's roughly 80 to 100 grams for most people. And hydration and sleep. Muscles repair when you rest, not when you're exhausted or dehydrated. Without recovery, all you're doing is wearing yourself out. Here's the bottom line. You're not too old. You're just undertrained. 2 exercises, 15 minutes, 3 to 4 days a week. That's it. You'll notice the difference fast. Stronger legs, better balance, and that feeling of control you thought was gone. Every rep is a small rebellion against aging. Every session is your body saying, "I'm not done yet." So here's your challenge. Start today. Do your first set before you close this video. And tell me in the comments, how old are you and which exercise will you start with first? If this helped you, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe to Healthcare for more science-backed ways to stay strong, active, and pain-free for life. Because you don't stop moving when you get old. You get old when you stop moving.